All right, every day we do our very best to get you off on the right weather note, whether it's bringing you your highs or lows, or whether or not you have snow in your commute. But this morning, we're giving you a look at what the forecast looked like 3 billion years ago. We're telling you how much rain the average cloud holds. Spoiler alert, it's probably less than you'd think. And we're looking at weather that has changed the course of history. It is all part of Christopher Dewdney's new book, 18 Miles. And Chris is here in studio this morning. I mean, this is the most excellent present for anyone who loves weather, Chris, as we're heading towards Christmas.
I look forward to seeing it under people's trees.
Yeah, okay, so weather isn't a new fascination for you. I mean, I've read that it started for you as a child.
I've been interested in it right from the get-go. I can't remember when I wasn't interested in weather. Just loved weather and tornadoes and hurricanes, of course, as a boy. Growing up, that's the kind of thing that, gender-specific weather, I guess. And then I got more interested in how to predict it, and I got fascinated by your profession, meteorologist. When I was a kid, I'd watch the TV meteorologist and just think, wow, they're predicting the future. So that's what I really liked about it.
Yeah, it's cool because it's an evolving science, right? Even in the years that I've been doing weather, we know so much more today than we knew 5 years ago, 10 years ago. So it's neat to see that continuation. 18 Miles is a specific title for a specific weather reason. I don't think a lot of people know why you chose 18 Miles. Can you share? 18
miles because 99% of the atmosphere lies within 18 miles of the surface.
Isn't that incredible? 18 miles, that's it. That's where it all is.
After 18 miles, if you're in a spaceship and you're going up, the windows turn black and fill with stars.
What about, I talked about the science evolving within weather, but what would a forecast have looked like if we went back 3 billion years ago? What would we have been saying?
I have a forecast 3 billion years ago, which is 1.4 billion years after the Earth started, which is a long time. But 3 billion years ago, the atmosphere, you couldn't breathe. You'd have to have an oxygen mask because it was 100% carbon dioxide, almost. And the days were 8 hours long, 4 hours of night, 4 hours of day. So when the moon rose, and the moon would be the size of a cantaloupe in the sky because it was closer, you'd really see it just come up, and the shadows it'd be like a time-lapse film. But if you saw the moon rise over the ocean, you wouldn't want to be anywhere near the ocean because the tides were 1,000 feet tall.
1,000 feet?
Yeah, you'd want to be on a mountain inland, yeah.
No way. This is incredible. Okay, let's talk about cloud volume. I mean, I think we look at those big clouds and we think that there's got to be an ocean worth of rain in there, but that's not true.
No, clouds are incredibly insubstantial. Of course, the micro droplets inside a cloud are not like water vapor out of a steam kettle. They're like very, very small, a millionth of a millimeter. So a cloud is a cloud the size of Longfellow's cloud. A water lonely as a cloud would be about a bathtub full of water.
That's it?
That's it. A cloud is to candy floss as candy floss is to lead.
Okay. Cloud 9 is an actual cloud classification. I mean, we talk about Cloud 9 like it's the euphoric state where we'd all like to be. We're on Cloud 9, but it's actually a real cloud.
Yeah, it is in fact the cumulonimbus cloud, according to the cloud classification system. George Carlin said that, he said, Cloud 9, everybody talks about Cloud 9. He says, but Cloud 8 is cheaper and has a better view.
I love that. Chris, thanks so much for being here this morning. It's a really cool gift. So if you're looking for the weather lover in your life, a Christmas gift for them, 18 Miles, you can get it available now. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you very much.